Good day everyone. So today's video I will going to present a preparing multimedia presentation in Pecha Kucha. By the way, I am your presenter Andrew Von is Bambao. So now we need to find out what are the objectives. So first we have characteristics of multimedia presentation. This is facilitated by effective communication. And the next is steps in making an effective presentation. First, in characteristics and multimedia presentation is multimedia presentation are visually oriented, displayed on a monitor or projected into a screen, and making them engaging and effective for audience. Next is they allow users to use different modalities such as text, graphics, photographs, audio, animations, and video. So that is the different modalities that I use in multimedia presentation. So first we have text. Text is refers to written or printed words, typically organized in sentences and paragraphs, conveying information, ideas, or stories. Next is graphics. Graphics are visual representation or images created to convey information, enhance understanding, or express artistic concepts. It can include illustration, charts, diagrams, and other visual elements designed. Next is photographs. Photographs are images that captured using a camera, utilizing light-sensitive materials or digital sensors to record visual scenes or moments. Next is audio. Audio is refers to the sound, typically in the form of vibration or waves that can be perceived by human ear. And audio can be stored in various formats such as MP3, WAV, or other digital files. Next is animation. Animation is a technique or process of creating the illustration of motion and change in a series of images or frames. It involves displaying a sequence of still images in rapid succession. And lastly is video. Video is refers to a sequence of images or frames that display in rapid succession to create the illustration of motion. And it is visual medium that combines moving images with audio and providing a dynamic and immersive experience. So we have special features of computers-based presentation. First is custom navigation, linking between slides to other media and to the internet. And next can be made into hard copy, printouts, or transparencies. And last is can be uploaded to the web. So let's proceed. Before we continue, there is a question. What should we do to make a presentation effective? So here are the steps on making an effective multimedia presentation. So the first steps in making an effective multimedia presentation is know the purpose of the presentation. So the purpose of a presentation is to effectively communicate information, ideas, or a message to an audience. It aims to inform, persuade, or engage listeners. So next is know the audience. Knowing your audience helps tailor the message to their interests and knowledge level and preference, then increasing the likelihood of successful communication and achieving the presentation intended. The third one is gather information. Gather relevant and accurate information related to your topic, and then utilize credible sources that support your message. And then this ensures your presentation is well informed and effective. The fourth one is use a variety of resources, such that textbooks, digital resources like photographs, scan images, and student work. And lastly is internet that you can use. The fifth one is do not forget to cite sources. Write the author's name, title of the work, and date of publication, and include the website or web page address of the source. In general, non-profit educational use of the online materials for lectures qualifies permission to use such materials. So the next one is organize the information. List the main points, have only one idea per slides, and present ideas in logical order, and place important information near the top. Next is check technical issues. First is contrast. Dark that text on the light background and white text on the dark background. Use design and color scheme throughout the slides and avoid clutter, pattern, or text backgrounds. And do not use more than two types of fonts. So the last one is be creative. So use transition and animation to add interest, but do not overdo it. So ayun, I hope that you learned something to our topic in preparing multimedia presentation effectively. So thank you.